Good afternoon. This one's kind of a surprise for me. I never got the tracking on it, so I just checked the mail out on a walk and there was a package in there. It's kind of cool when that happens. Not checking the tracking, and well, I check the tracking like a crazy person. So here we go. Ooh, sorry, my hat bumped. Camera again. So we got the RapidPRO from Rapid EDC. This thing is heavy, that's for sure. That's why I wanted it. I wanted to try a heavy slider, and this is definitely at the right price point, being under $100. It's got a nice this is like looks like a blasted finish. It's very cool. So we've got stainless plates. They slide pretty well. You can see it's definitely not firing down like crazy there. I'm wondering if it will break in. I don't even remember what the magnets are like in this thing. It is definitely heavy. Let's get this guy out. We're gonna weigh it like this too. This is gonna be fun. This is a bar of crystallized twist tie. So here we go. Yeah, 119.5. I remember it being like 120. For comparison, this wrapped, I think, is like 80 something. Yeah, 81. And I don't even remember on this one. 66. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it definitely feels lighter. So this thing is, I mean, twice the weight of this thing, basically. Chonker. Okay. That's loud on those clacks back together right there, that's for sure. I really want to look at the magnets. The magnet setup. I don't remember, honestly. Zachary, if you're watching this, I watched your videos on this thing a while back, and I've forgotten what's inside of this thing. T8? T9. It's probably not a T9, I bet. I bet it's a T8. Where are my T8s at? What? Please hold. Got one in my work apron over here. That feels much better. Those were snug. Big hardware, I like that. So when you do it like that, you can take everything apart without having to really, well, the magnets are gonna go flying everywhere because the other plate is holding it together. So you can see it's just got a giant chunk of stainless steel, and it looks like all the magnets are the same. Are they 6x3s or are they 1/8 inch? We're going to find out. So I've got what I am pretty sure are 1/8 inch magnets right here. Trying. Very nice finish on this thing. So those. Okay, yes, these are 6x3s. Because these are 1/4 inch here, and those are a little bigger, so I'm just gonna be crazy like I am and put 1/8 inch Modus Works in 52s in the corners. I know it was being a little slow on the pivots, but I usually just prefer doing that. Okay, so even for myself, I'm putting these back in the bag. I'm gonna grab a Sharpie even. RapidPRO 6x3 OGs. Originals. Alright. And I'm gonna put them in its little thingy right here. Just for now. Let's dig back in. Whoops. I left my, oh, that's not right. I left my Pokemon Go Plus Pokeball thingy running. Might be, it was just buzzing right there. Give it a little click and get it out of the way. Let's feel the tension on this plate. Try to match torque specs. That is tight. Awesome. So this one's got the stronger magnets in it. Oh, wow. Getting off track a little bit. I gotta learn its motion. And I wonder if these plates will wear in. Steel, definitely smooth steel. Because it's definitely on the slow side. It's probably the nature of a 120 gram slider, right? Also, I guess if you've seen in the thumbnail, I've been letting this thing hide up here. Alex threw in something. Ah, cool. Got a resin counterpart. That's neat. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I gotta try something. Okay, that's kind of cool. I love that it's a 1-to-1. The same size. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but that's neat. Well, how's this stuff slide whenever it's not taped up? Just curious. This seems like some really thick slide tape. I'll leave it alone for now. So this slider has a pretty cool shape. It's got like the same kind of, X ergonomics that a lot of the best sliders have. We've got divots here, it's all the things. So it's comfortable. I really push it in the right spots, it fires around. It's whenever I don't push it good. It's a little more finicky with where you make it fire. But I'm finding that if I'm closer to the midlines, it's not getting stuck. Oh, man, it's snappy. I know it's got these really strong magnets in it. That was me. I mean, it's really good. It's got really good grip. It's really heavy. Magnet strength it's there. A hybrid setup could just be cool. I don't know if I'm just so used to that. That's just what I think I prefer. You know what I mean? That's like my first impression. I just wish I could try it as a standard hybrid setup, not like the little makeshift that I just gave it. I like how crunchy I like the level of crunchiness it has. It's not like ultra rattle, like this thing isn't either. I'd say they're pretty similar. And this has the 3D printed inserts with foam dampeners. Tight inserts too. Man, I gotta say my hand is getting a little fatigued using this guy. I mean, it's heavy. And it's got strong magnets. All strongs. Like all strong 6x3s. This is a tank for sure. And that's exactly why I ordered it. I'm definitely digging it for now. Okay, I'm gonna literally give my hand a break. Let's compare some 3D printed sliders. And actually, I think for now, since this is metal, it's gonna go right there. We're gonna play with some plastic. Put that up there. That's not the greatest vert. It's an old vert. Magnets feel really weak in this guy right now to me after playing with the RapidPRO. Something Kyle Spencer from Fidget Focus pointed out to me. The up and down action on the mini vert is super soft, but everything else is like very snappy. It's just the up and down, like it's like, you see that? So I guess like the magnet fields are close enough together between the spacing of the four compared to laterally. It's stronger, so it just makes it it's just something to note, I guess. Like, some people might think it feels funny. I think it's just the nature of how the magnets are, and I don't usually go just up and down a whole lot. I usually am doing the laddering and slides and twists and flippy things, and yeah. So it's just something I wanted to touch on with the mini vert. A little follow-up there. Haven't slid this in a couple days. Still really good. Magnet layout is great. These are definitely strong magnets. Not a fan of this tape. I am gonna do it now that we've gotten into the plastic stuffs. It's stuck on here really good. Wow. Come on. This is gonna be a really easy one to apply tape on. It's gonna take me longer to get it off than it is gonna put a new piece on. Oh, wow. Whoa. It's like tearing. So it's usually pretty strong. There it goes. It's gonna be really easy to apply new tape because it's got this, oh. Well, I'm sitting here jinxing everything. 10 out of 10 don't like this tape. Oh, God. Try a little heat. Sorry, I didn't give much warning there. This just caught me off guard. Tried to soften up the adhesive a little with the hairdryer to hopefully prevent it from sticking. Yikes. I guess I could put tape on this side and cover up all this adhesive, right? Probably need to try to clean it before I apply more. What a mess. There's a first time for everything. This stuff is literally like disintegrating. I'm sorry, Alex. Sorry that I hit your tape and that I made it look really bad. I should be using this slider right now. Times like this whereas when I wish I edited, but I'm also glad that I don't. And that if you watch my stuff, surely you know that by now, and yeah. Yeah, I need to get this stuff off. Alcohol behind me. Be right back. It's like kind of coming off, I guess. Yeah, it is, okay. 99% alcohol is pretty cool stuff. Almost got it. So I guess this resin holds up to alcohol. I didn't even check like a test spot or anything. I just sent it. Whoops. Sorry about that. Little durability test on the fly. I guess I can try it without tape real quick, right? Definitely does need tape. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Most plastic definitely needs it. What did I do that? I feel like I wasn't there just a second ago. Oh. Interesting. Tape. Okay. Let's go with the trusty .08 plate guard from playforbeans.com. Play for Beans also has a YouTube channel. There's my Pokeball again. Sorry for the lack of commentary. It is 6 o'clock. I've had a rough day, tired. But I wanna experience the new fidgets. All right, hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. When I'm doing this, if I feel too much force or resistance, it doesn't go very well. We should just kind of glide around. Like, it's not hard to cut through this tape. Just I don't know, something I've observed. And I like to pull it backwards off of the plate. And then go around one more time. Make sure there's not any edges peeled up. Okay, yep. That's pretty sweet. I mean, this is a really good slider design. Like, it's on the bigger side, you know, footprint wise. Let's stack it up here. It's a little taller than the OG Vert. Put this right here. Let's make a slider sandwich. So you can kind of see the thickness of everything there. This is the same. Spitting image, mirror image. Heights, thicknesses. Yeah. All right. Let's get the wrapped out of this mess. Let's get the Verks out of here, because they're very different. I feel like these are pretty comparable because they both are taped. I should say the print quality here is like freaking awesome. Like, it's really good. slightly bigger hex pattern here versus circular dimples. That makes sense from a machining process versus a printing. You can do a little more detailed. This thing's cool. It's got you know, the wide lateral spacing. That's something I haven't had in my collection in a while. The only thing that can do it in my collection is the Wrapped V2, and I have it set up on the narrow configuration. This is kind of like the in-between, like the V1.1. Man, these magnets are really soft to me now. I mean, they felt kind of soft to me for a while, but man, they feel really soft today. These guys are like monster magnets. Man, it's something. Ah, that hurt my ears. It's gonna be a... Oh, whoa. I can't move it. What in the world? The screws aren't out. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck? That was weird. I wonder if it's like my sweat with the flatness or something. It totally locked up and there was nothing. There's nothing there. Maybe I should go back to those other magnets. Like maybe this is like too strong. We're gonna do that real quick. Stack. Put the mini Verk over there. I'm gonna have to guess here on which one it is. And that's okay. Got it right. And then you swap them. Try not to let your magnets slam together, guys. It's not good for them. They're quite brittle, especially the coating. Oh no. Picked one up on accident. Is that a... Oh my gosh. Hilarious. Good thing you can see the size difference. When did that even happen? Goodness, these are strong magnets. Okay. Wow. So these are no longer RapidPRO 6x3s. 1/8 by what is it, quarter? Yeah, something. Huh. Kind of glad to be putting it back in the how it comes configuration. Seem to change things just right away. I don't know why. Huh. Is it really slower now? It's quieter. But now it's not pivoting the same. I can throw it. Wow, it actually, the hybrid setup really did help the performance a little. Helped it lock in and snap to on the corners. Yeah, I feel like that wasn't happening, right? I'll play with it some more. Really gonna get these plates broken. I think I'm gonna keep it still as it is right now. Can always change it later. What is on my hand? The plate's dirty? I don't think so. Can always clean them off. Get some tape real quick. Doesn't really matter because they're stainless steel, but if they're a little dirty, they'll perform better if they're clean. And my hand's getting tired. It's a beast. It's an ergonomic, ultra strong magnet beast. I bet my wife won't even be able to use it. Speaking of that, I'm gonna go in and hang out with her. You made it this far? Thanks for watching. See ya.